Hello, this is the fourth video in the series. It's one of the fundamental tricks. It's called the finger pass. Before you learn this trick, you should probably learn the thumb around, charge, and sonic. There's a playlist over here. I'm trying to make it very comprehensive so that everyone can easily learn pen spinning from it. So the trick that I'm going to show you today is called the finger pass. It looks like this. The idea of the finger pass is that pen changes finger slots quickly. So you are going from 1-2 slot to the 3-2 slot to the 4-3 slot, and then you are going back up. You are going to 2-3 slot and then to a 1-2 slot. And the pen is shaking because I'm holding it on a weird position so I can record this. But that is the general idea of this trick. So it's just finger pass. It's important to learn because this will connect many tricks in a combo. If you need a pen to change slots from 1-2 to 3-2, you are going to use the finger pass. So the way you should practice this trick is start slowly, like I showed you. So first, tinker with a pen like this, like everybody does that in the class or wherever. So that's the motion. That's the motion that you need to learn. That's also the motion that we learned when we were learning the charge. So it's really important. So you need to be able to do the seesaw motion like this. Once you master that, it's pretty easy. Just open the 3-2 slot, put the pen there, and grab it with another finger. And then you can just do the same. Open the slot, put the pen there, remove this finger so the pen can rotate, and grab it with another set of fingers. And now going upwards, it's the same. Remove these fingers, put the pen up, grab it, put it there. Again, the same. Grab it, put it there. It's just a muscle memory thing. So once you get good at doing it slowly, then you can work out in doing it a bit faster. So that's just how it goes. The finger pass is really important for connecting tricks. After you master the finger pass, you can think about doing it the other direction, which is finger pass reverse. But I'm going to do a full tutorial on that trick as well. I find that trick a bit more useful than the regular finger pass. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave any questions in the comment section below. I will answer them all. I am trying to make a comprehensive playlist to help the new pen spinners learn pen spinning the proper way. So the tricks in this playlist should be in order that is the best for new pen spinners to learn. So if you could subscribe, like and comment, thank you. Share the videos as well. It will help out this channel and it will help out the videos to reach the new pen spinners that need help with this. So yeah, thank you.